Welcome. Today we're going to learn about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same amount. Let's start with a simple example using pizza. Here's 1/2 of a pizza. If we cut each half into 2 equal pieces, we get 4 pieces total, and 2 of those pieces make up the same amount as 1/2. To create an equivalent fraction, we multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Let's see how 1/2 becomes 2/4. We multiply both the top and bottom by 2. Let's try another example. Here's 2/3. If we multiply both the top and bottom by 2, we get 4/6. Here's one more important thing to remember. When we multiply or divide both the top and bottom numbers by the same value, the fraction keeps the same value. It just looks different. So 1/2, 2/4, and 4/8 are all equivalent fractions. Let's practice. Try finding equivalent fractions by multiplying both the top and bottom numbers by the same value. Remember, the fractions might look different, but they represent the same amount.